Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send Litecoin from your Phantom wallet to Bitrue in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this step-by-step guide will help you move your assets securely and efficiently. Whether you're a beginner looking to diversify or an experienced trader managing your portfolio, this tutorial is designed to get you up and running in no time. First things first, make sure you have the Phantom Wallet app installed on your device and that it's updated to the latest version for 2025 compatibility. Open the app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet dashboard and select Litecoin from your list of assets. It's usually easy to find, just tap on the Lieutenant Colonel icon. Next, head over to your Bitrue account on a web browser or their mobile app. Go to your wallet section, find your Litecoin deposit address, and copy it carefully. Double-check that it's the correct address to avoid any mishaps. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Now, back in Phantom Wallet, hit the Send button for your Litecoin balance. Paste the Bitrue address into the recipient field, then enter the amount you want to transfer. Remember to leave a little extra for network fees, which might vary based on blockchain congestion in 2025. Review all the details one last time to ensure everything looks good. Hit Confirm, and you'll be prompted to approve the transaction with your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometric verification. Once that's done, sit back and wait for the transaction to process. You can track its status on a blockchain explorer like Litecoin's official site. And just like that, you're all set. By following these steps, you've successfully transferred your Litecoin to Bitrue. If you run into any issues, check for updates or reach out to support. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.